in civil society and media have achieved working with Pearl over the past 8 years. And it's 8 years plus, as it was pointed out. And what really struck me, actually, was the point that our newly appointed doctor made about wanting to get it right. And I think that's so important when you're working in governance. It really struck me. And I'd also like to say that there were people here before me. There will be people here after me. I'm just one of a number of people who passes the baton. So thank you for the applause for FCDO, but I also want to applaud my colleagues before me, the whole team, but also all of you who are here always, while sometimes some of us come in and out. I wanted to give you some examples of some of the remarkable work that has been done. I always like the concrete examples, and here are some of them. In Kano, in Kaduna and Jigawa, citizen participation in how public resources are allocated is now the norm. And that is not an exception, and that is because of this partnership. 2 out of the 3 FCDO-focused states are rated as the most transparent states by the Nigerian Subnational Budget Transparency Survey, bit of a mouthful, and the World Bank Fiscal Transparency Programme. That's quite a result. With UK Pearl technical support, partner states have developed the ability to increase their domestic generated revenues. So, for example, one of our partner states has achieved an increase of 80% in domestic revenue in the period 2019 to 2023. And this has a tangible and positive impact on the lives of Nigerians. So the feedback on that suggests that the increased revenue has transformed health services in the state, and that means better primary healthcare facilities and more health workers for communities. So there is a direct correlation into people's lives of this work. As governance professionals, and I speak as one, so my background is as a governance advisor. So Chris, I started in the same position that you are. We know that accountability and transparency are the very foundations of any social contract. And Pearl's innovative approach of brokering alliances amongst interest groups in supporting and advocating across communities, across politicians, across civil society, media, across government officials and geographies has contributed in no small measure to the constitutional reform that brings autonomy to state parliaments. And that's remarkable because what that means is stronger scrutiny of legislation and stronger accountability of the executive at subnational level. Pearl has also been at the centre of the Open Government Partnership in Nigeria and the adoption of OGP principles by many subnational governments. By 2023, a total of 26 Nigerian states have signed up to the Global Open Government Partnership, which is an increase of 16 compared to 2019. And at the federal level, we have supported the Central Delivery and Coordination Unit to institutionalize the measuring and managing of ministerial performance. And as always, with the citizens at Pearl's heart, that means the unit has incorporated the Citizens Delivery Tracker